Now that I'm here, breaking my relationship with time and space, watching my life through the clear glasses of a window, I get aware of the small things, which are least the greatest. I left my physical form of life behind. I realized my blunted and senseless way of life. I should have lived my life much more conscious. Conscious.